When it comes to keeping your home safe and sound, trust Heritage Roofing and Repair in Berryville to handle all your roofing needs. Whether you're dealing with pesky roof leaks, need a roof replacement, or want to boost your home's curb appeal with residential roofing upgrades, we've got you covered. From shingle repair to new roof installations, our team of roofing experts is here to provide reliable solutions. So why wait? Let us keep your roof in top shape. Call us today to schedule your appointment and experience peace of mind.